Hey, We So Health Tips family. Today, we're diving deep into pumpkin, a nutritional powerhouse that has been celebrated for centuries across different cultures. Whether it's the bright orange flesh, crunchy seeds, or vibrant green leaves, every part of the pumpkin holds incredible health benefits. So if you're looking for ways to boost your health naturally, stay tuned. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to We So Health Tips for more culture-rich wellness insights. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's get into it. Pumpkin isn't just a seasonal ingredient, it's a superfood loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Rich in vitamin A, this vitamin is key for eye health, skin repair, and immunity. Just one serving of pumpkin provides more than 100% of your daily vitamin A needs. Packed with antioxidants, beta-carotene helps neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Supports heart health, potassium and fiber help regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. Aids weight management, low in calories, high in fiber. It keeps you full longer, helping with digestion and weight control. Boosts immunity, vitamins C and E, along with iron and zinc, help keep your immune system strong. Promotes healthy skin, beta-carotene and vitamin C support collagen production, keeping your skin glowing and youthful. Pumpkin is incredibly versatile. You can cook it in soups, blend it into smoothies, bake it into bread, or even roast it for a healthy snack. Comment below, what's your favorite way to eat pumpkin? Now, let's talk pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. These little seeds are packed with proteins, healthy fats, and minerals, making them a great addition to your diet. Supports heart health. Magnesium and omega-3s help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Improves sleep quality. Contains tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes serotonin and melatonin production, helping you sleep better. Regulates blood sugar. Magnesium helps control insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of diabetes. Strengthens immunity. Zinc and vitamin E work together to support immune function. Reduces stress and anxiety. Magnesium in pumpkin seeds helps relax muscles and balance mood. Toss them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for extra nutrition. Blend them into a smoothie for a protein boost. Roast them with a sprinkle of sea salt and chili powder for a tasty snack. Not many people know that pumpkin leaves are edible, but they are nutrient-dense and incredibly healthy. In many cultures, they're used in soups, stews, and stir-fries. Rich in vitamins A and C, great for skin health, immunity, and eye function. Packed with minerals, calcium, iron, and potassium support bone strength and muscle function. High in antioxidants, protects cells from damage and aging. Supports digestion. The fiber aids in gut health and prevents bloating. Sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a simple side dish. Add them to soups and stews for a nutrient boost. Use them as natural food wraps for steaming dishes. Pumpkins have been cultivated for over 7,000 years, originating in Mexico and Central America. Indigenous peoples used them for food, medicine, and rituals. The word pumpkin comes from the ancient Greek pipon, which meant melon. Mexico, pepitas are roasted and used in dishes like mole sauce and traditional celebrations. China, used in soups and stir-fries, believed to have warming properties. Japan, kabocha pumpkin is a favorite in tempura, stews, and desserts. United States, central to Halloween traditions and Thanksgiving pies. Africa, pumpkin leaves and seeds are essential for nutritious meals. Pumpkins don't just fill our plates, they connect us to tradition, history, and global wellness practices. Pumpkins have been used for healing across cultures. Chinese medicine, pumpkin seeds treat parasites and support kidney health. Native American remedies, used for digestive health, skin conditions, and urinary issues. Medieval European practices, used to ease digestive problems and skin irritations. African herbal medicine, leaves and seeds are used for immune support and inflammation reduction. Nature truly knows best. Pumpkins are not just food, they're medicine. Your turn. Let's keep the conversation going. Pumpkins are nutritional powerhouses, deeply rooted in history, culture, and medicine. Whether you love them in soups, smoothies, roasted snacks, or pies, there's always a delicious and healthy way to enjoy them. Comment below, how do you enjoy pumpkin? Like, share, and subscribe for more nature-inspired health wisdom. Turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring natural remedies with WeSo Health Tips.